Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the PAUDIN Nakiri knife. It is a 7-inch razor sharp meat, cleaver, and vegetable kitchen knife. High carbon stainless steel, multi-purpose Asian chef knife for home and kitchen with the ergonomic handle. So the blade is about 7-inch in length, and then the thickness is 0.08 inch. The handle is 5.13 inch. The weight is about 7.82 ounce, and the hardness is HRC 56 plus. Make thinner, more precise cuts, razor sharp edge, 15-degree V-shaped German steel. So with the high carbon stainless steel, it is rust proof and durable. Ultra sharp, hand polish, long lasting sharpness. Ergonomic design handle, non-slip handle, more comfortable. By the way, I'd like to give it a shout out to Sammy from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the knife. Right here's the product description. Right here's the warranty card. Happy, not happy. By the way, they have different types of knife sets that you could purchase. So this is what we have. Wow, it is very sharp. Look at how thin this is. the nice sleeve for it. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this and then test this out. There's the PAUDIN symbol right here. Very nice handle right here. So it's smart to wash the knife before you use it. Alright, so I'm gonna slide this apple. As you can see, it is pretty sharp. Gotta be careful not to cut myself. Okay. Very good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. If there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it before you check out. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.